How to make a narcissist suffer to the point of frustration with just one touch. Hello everyone. Welcome aboard. Are you tired of dealing with narcissists and the mental exhaustion they bring? Fear not. Today, I'm here to share the power of silence and how it can help you shut down narcissists. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to connect. To all my loyal viewers, a heartfelt thank you for your continued support and welcome back. And to those new to our channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments below. Let's join forces to create a safe and supportive community. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more insightful content throughout the week. Now let's tackle this issue head-on. While narcissists may believe they hold the upper hand, distancing yourself, remaining non-reactive, and mastering self-control are far more potent tools. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to embark on a journey of healing to develop these skills. Trust me, it's no walk in the park. Interacting with narcissists can leave us feeling drained, but by cultivating personal growth, we can learn to disentangle ourselves from their manipulation and maintain a composed demeanor in their presence. So, let's embark on this journey of self-mastery and discover how silence can speak volumes when it comes to quieting narcissists without uttering a word. You can choose to stop being around narcissists now. Are you ready? Making that choice is hard, but it's the only way to get out of painful situations. Detachment, not reacting, and taking very good care of yourself are keys to success. Focus on the present time, take a deep breath, and remember how valuable you are. Never give up your power to people who don't value you. You deserve to keep it. There is one way to get rid of an ego that always works. Give them a blank stare. The power of the blank stare, a powerful tool that empaths use. But let's make a few important things clear before you use it. We're not calling for payback or putting ourselves down to the level of a narcissist. When we're around toxic or abusive people, we instead draw on our inner power and put self-care first. Remember that there is a big difference between someone who is an empath and someone who doesn't have empathy. Stay tuned as we look into better ways to do things. But remember to always walk this path with kindness and honesty. Thank you for watching. Let's get our power back and find our way to healing together. Pay attention, other empaths. Now is the time to turn on our inner shields and learn how to keep ourselves safe from harmful vampires. Now is the time to learn detachment, not reacting, and putting extreme self-care first. It's important to hold on to ourselves, whether that means putting on a cold front, putting on a poker face, or just putting our health first. Focus on the present moment, take a deep breath, and claim your power. But remember that less is often more when dealing with people who don't care or have a conscience. Silence has a lot of power and can stop even the meanest and most cunning people. To be safe, stay as far away from these creatures as you can if you have to. Allow the dead stare to protect you as you run away from them. Now, share your thoughts in the space below. Do you know someone who is a narcissist? Are these plans being put into action? Share what you've been through, and let's help each other on this path to healing and self-mastery. Now is the time to turn your attention to yourself and your healing and recovery. Friends, we're not just talking about recognition on the surface level here. It means being in touch with your feelings, going deep into the healing process, and accepting it completely. Watching movies can only help with a small part of the healing process. It's time to stop thinking about the problem and connect with each other in our bodies. Feel it, get better, and move on. Let's stop the never-ending cycle of taking in knowledge and start the deep work of real healing and recovery. To do this, we have to get deep into our thoughts and face the painful ones we've been avoiding. We can't suddenly change our situations by hiding in our safe spaces. The truth is that we will keep attracting harmful and controlling people into our lives if we don't do the work we need to do on ourselves. Even if the faces change, the trends are always easy to spot. We must take full responsibility for our lives and well-being if we want to break out of the circle of being victims. Let go of the victim mindset and take full responsibility for your actions. Go deep inside to figure out what lets these bad people into our lives, and then we can start to heal completely and permanently. By doing this, we will no longer draw these people to us like moths to a light. Now is the time to stop being a slave and take charge. Let's break the cycle of toxic relationships and accept the power of healing and recovery to change things for the better. Are you ready to go on this trip with me? Did you ever think about the basic reasons why our lives keep going in circles of negativity? It's not just about learning new things, though that is an important part of it. We have to go deeper inside ourselves to really break free. We need to focus on getting better and fixing ourselves. By thinking deeply about ourselves, we can successfully shut down the narcissists in our lives without saying a word. The important thing is to do the hard work. No more passively taking in knowledge or taking care of yourself on the surface. We need to put on our boots and go deep into ourselves. Setting limits, taking care of our own health, and doing the dirty work make us feel better mentally and energetically. We learn to love ourselves and depend on ourselves completely. Remember that the outside world reflects what's going on inside us. Most of the time, these inner patterns live in our subconscious and are not visible to our waking mind. We can find and change these deep-seated patterns, though, by starting the deep journey of healing and recovery. This will bring about a new and healthier world. Therefore, if you want to get out of the harmful loop, you need to start by focusing on your own growth. Take back your power, heal old scars, and watch as things change for the better inside and out. As we come to the end of this conversation, dear friends, I hope it has given you something useful to think about. If this was helpful to you, please let me know what you think and feel. Kindly give it a like and a message to share your thoughts. Welcome to everyone who just joined. To be notified of new movies, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Don't forget that you are valuable and deserve to live the best life you can. Let's go on this trip together and do the work that needs to be done to get that freedom. Lots of love to you, and until we meet again, be careful.